So my name's Leila Thomas. I am the Dementia Caseworker for Bridgend Care and Repair. So I've had a client referred through to my service by the occupational therapist in the older people mental health team. She had been referred through primarily for dementia support. So the client is an 86-year-old lady. She lives alone in a 2-storey household. This client has a variety of complex health conditions and health needs. The main reason I was involved was due to the mixed dementia, but she also had dual sensory loss, so cataracts in her eyes and very hard of hearing. She had shortness of breath, swelling of her legs, and was also incontinent. So to begin with, changes to the property, I had put or arranged for grant funding for sensor lighting. This is quite crucial equipment. It was on the stairs and the landing. As the client was prone to falls, it was quite evident that she needed this in place. I had also arranged for a blue badge, so it would make it easier for family to be able to take her to medical appointments, to get her out into the community and to be able to park more appropriately so there was less of a distance. And when I also supported her with an attendance allowance application. When I had initially gone out, she was on a very low income. Prior to my intervention, she hadn't had any benefit checks or financial support. So it was quite handy to do a full financial check with her to see what she was entitled to and then help her maximise her income. I also signposted the Alzheimer's Society. I do quite a lot of joint working with them. The client did show gratitude after the intervention, mainly focusing on the attendance allowance. Like I say, prior to my intervention, she wasn't aware that she'd even be eligible to claim for this and also didn't know where to start. The forms themselves are quite long and complex. At this point, I then referred through to our sensory caseworker for that specialist advice.
My name's Rebecca Taylor. I'm the critical prevention caseworker for Bridgend Care and Repair. So I work with older people and help them to remain living independently within their own homes. So the clients would have sensory loss, stroke survivors and clients with dementia. So I initially went out and did a joint visit with the dementia caseworker. During the visit, I noticed the client was struggling with glare within the living room of the property. So we had a conversation and the client was open to having dimmer switches put in the living room to stop the glare, to enable them to be able to watch TV. So followed on from the low vision referral, the low vision service attended the client's property and they prescribed the client with specialised magnifiers and specialised glasses to enable the client to watch TV, read small print on letters for mail and correspondence, and this gave the client greater independence at home and less reliance on the carers. The family have expressed that the support and interventions provided through the Managing Better service has not only helped the client but it's also helped them. They feel less stressed and are less likely to risk burnout.
My name's Caris Groves and I'm the locality manager for Sight Life, formerly Cardiff Institute for the Blind. We support people with a vision impairment. We offer advice, support, signposting in groups across Rhondda and Taff. We enable people to improve their physical and emotional well-being, to enjoy independent lives and reduce isolation. We want all our members to live in safe, warm homes. We appreciate the service of the Managing Better scheme and our partnership with Care and Repair in Rhondda and Taff.
I'm Beth, I'm the Managing Better caseworker for Taff Care and Repair. I've been with Care and Repair for 15 years and in the role of the Managing Better caseworker for the last 7 years. The role of the Managing Better caseworker is to visit clients over 50 years of age who have got hearing and or vision loss or who are living with a stroke. I visit clients then, we do a healthy homes check, we go in and check the house and then we do a thorough sensory assessment to see how they are managing with any vision or hearing loss and to see what I can do for them, what they need, what they're struggling with, being able to help them and refer them on to agencies that can support them further. The client was referred by the son. She has dementia and there's lots of damp at the property, so I went to visit, do a healthy homes check. There were other works needed, some external rails were needed there, so I made a referral for those to be installed. The son was obviously new to a caring role, so we agreed that we would refer him on to the Alzheimer's Society for some carer support for himself. The client also needed some support with a care package, so I made a referral to social services for her to have an assessment for a care package, and I added her to the priority services register for gas and electric.
I'm Adele, I'm the Dementia Casework Officer for Cwmtaff Care and Repair. I've supported the client's son in completing a grant form to have a grant done on the property because there is dampness issues there. We've also had a repair done for them. The bathroom sink was cracked, so because it could have been a risk to the client, we've had a new sink fitted, and he said how appreciative of the help he is and has thanked us for what we've carried out for his mother.
Hi, my name's Michael. I'm from the Aberdare area. I phoned Care and Repair. My mother is 87. She was living on her own. She had a few problems around the house, a few jobs needed doing. And I heard about Care and Repair, so I rang them then to see if I could get any help. We had help to put a ramp in for my mum's electric mobility scooter. She'd had a fall in the bathroom and cracked the bathroom sink. So we ended up having a new sink put in by you. And rail out on the outside the house to the back door. So you helped us send a referral to Nest then for like my mum had a coal fire, which 87 is not a very good idea. Like we ended up having a new central heating system fitted in by a Nest scheme. It is amazing. Like, you know, those old people can't get stuff done, and you know, fair play. I don't think there isn't anything that I haven't been able to get help with. Like when the bathroom sink was changed, well, I looked into it then to get an high-rise toilet. So I'm still having help at the moment because about rails, you can fit rails, you brought the thing in temporary because we had like a plastic extension before, but now I got the high-rise toilet, so you don't need the extension, but they're gonna fit rails to the wall to help her get herself off a toilet, like so. It's been really, really helpful. Really helpful, yeah.